Coming out driving with 60BaeGrey.
Oh,
no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey.
No cap.
Okay, 60BaeGrey, the real thing. Okay, hey, we outside. Hey, look, it's cold out here, man. I got my hoodie. I got my Adidas hoodie. I got my drip on. You gotta look at this. Hey, just did the video. Hey, man, I like the fresh fit. Hey. Okay. Okay. All right. 60BaeGrey, the real thing. All right. Hey, look. We outside. You see the car right here. We're going to do a cold start. Then I'm going to come back at you. And I'm going to do some fire video. Hey, got a couple things I'm going to drop on you. Drop some knowledge. Try to keep it real for you. 60BaeGrey. Yeah, boy. Yeah. I'm coming back at you with a couple videos that you're going to like. Yeah, a couple of short clips. But, you know, hey, ain't nothing short about me. It's real thing. No kidding. 60BaeGrey, the real tip. We're coming back at you. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real tip. I just changed my position. I'm going to give y'all what y'all need. And y'all need the cold start. We're going to do that American Muscle thing like right now. Here it is right there. Actually, I'm trying to come up with a name for the car. The Drip, 60Bae, I don't know, Storm. I like Storm. Some people like Storm, but here we go right here. 2 clicks.
Yeah, boy.
Okay. Trying to tell y'all. All right, look. I'm gonna go ahead, pull the whip out, and I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna tell you, and then we're gonna do it up, no cap. Okay, 60BaeGrey, the real tip. Okay, we had a little fun. Okay, we're gonna set it up for you, and I'm gonna talk to you guys. 60BaeGrey, the real tip. Okay. Yeah, hey, we back. Told you I wanted to talk to you about a couple things I found out about the car. Got the car right, got the key right here. Sexy key, put that in my pocket. All right. So, oh my goodness. All right, this is kind of like the unedited version. That's what we're doing, the unedited version, because it's too much to be starting and stopping. But anyway, I started and stopped enough. But he's like, well, what do you have in your hand? And you might say, you know, 60Bae, what you got going on? Please don't read to us. But no, I got the manual right here. It came with the car. And I was what I call, sorry, this car that just drove by. You know, you can get a chance to see inside of the car. Let me just bring you in closer now, Cam. Let me just see the drip. Okay, I'm gonna talk to y'all, but whoops, I want y'all to see. Woo! And then the other side. Let's do a quick walk around so you can see the drip. Okay. All right. You gotta open up this side, no cap. All right. I'll put that glove compartment out. Put that right there. Okay. Yeah, boy. Ooh. All right. Do a quick walk around. You got that C8 2023 HTC Z51 drip. Okay. All right. I'm going to put y'all back where you belong. It's on my little shelf right here. All right.
Okay,
so
that is way too cute to be on the internet.
Let me check to make sure I got the camera angle right. No thumbs involved. None of that. All right. Okay. Now, let's get back to the main. This is the main event. This is a little side piece thing that we talking about here. Sorry, I'm outside. This car's driving by making some noise. All right, let's get to the point. I got the manual right here. With 60BaeGrey, you got the manual because I was hotboxing the engine, right? We were going hard. All right, and so what I wanted to do was, what I found out is that the actual transmission, it was doing some crazy things. And hey, how you doing? And all right.
Nice car.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. And when I took it out, I was going like 125 miles per hour, right? And actually, I was going like 70, 80, and 90, but at about 104 miles an hour, this little green thing, like a settings wheel, came up. And so then I'm like, oh shoot, I gotta take a picture of this. Like, because it was lighting up, the dash was lighting up, and I didn't know what it all meant. So then I'm gonna say, okay, fine, we gotta see what it means. So I couldn't find out what it meant. So I said, let me just go to the user manual. So went to the user manual. Let me tell you what I found out of what it meant. All right, so this right here. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all see it. I'm probably gonna read it to you, and I'm probably gonna put it up on the screen right here. I'm gonna crop it, screenshot it, and let you see it. Performance transmission active. This thing right here, okay? That right there. All right. So, what we're gonna talk about? So, I took a picture of it. You're gonna see the picture up in the corner here. And when I saw that, went to the manual, and I actually found. And this is what it says. This light turns green when the vehicle is being driven in a spirited manner. No, we getting it in because we got the real drip. Well, I'm trying to tell you, we get real drippy out on the highway, no cap. 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. All right, the vehicle is being driven in a spirited manner, and the transmission shift points have been altered to enhance the vehicle behavior. Altered to enhance the vehicle behavior, no cap. Hey, we out here enhancing. All right, we out here enhancing. Okay. Now, enhance the vehicle behavior. See transmission shift operation under driver mode control. Right. So for track events that require standing starts, performance transmission behavior can be activated near a standstill by selecting track mode. Okay. But at the end of the day, there's a whole list of directions here. But the one thing that popped out is that I didn't know that the transmission would activate and enhance the vehicles. It's been altered to enhance the vehicle's behavior. Hey, 60BaeGrey got that enhanced behavior. Like some of y'all, like some people might call you eccentric, or you do crazy stuff. Man, live your life, be you, but enhance and live spirited. All right, live spirited, and your personality may change from time to time, but in a spirited manner. All right, to enhance your spirited manner. So that's what we're doing here. All right. So this car actually fits my personality. So when I activate it, when I'm driving in a spirited manner, what is that? Stop and go, pet. My car's already broken in. So I'm over 500 miles. All right. Matter of fact, I'm at 1,000 something or other. So I need to do a vehicle review for 1,000 miles. Okay. So, but anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know about this because, I don't know, I try to pay attention close to details of things turn up squirrely. And what I mean by squirrely, something that's just not right, I'm going to dig a little deeper. And when that green setting wheel came up, I'm like, uh-oh, what did I do to the car? And then when I found out, I'm just altering the vehicle behavior in a spirited manner. So one of the things I like to say, if you get into a debate and somebody doesn't like what you say, I'm gonna tell you, just all you gotta do is tell them and say, I'm really emotionally charged. All right, because that's what's happening here, no cap. 60BaeGrey, the real jet. Hey, it's called emotionally charged, enhanced in a spirited manner by me. 60BaeGrey, the real jet. So all you Corvette owners out there, if you see that green wheel and it looks like a crank wheel or a settings wheel, that's what that means. In the manual, it's on page 89, no cap. Okay, I'm on the 2023 version, no cap. Let me tell you, baby. The 2023 player. The 2023. All right, so that's I wanted to bring that little modification tip to you and let you know what's going on with that. So hey, it's 60BaeGrey, the real tip, no cap. Hey, if you like the whip, comment, like, subscribe, and share. I'm trying to do vanity tags. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to get a name for the car. Storm, the Drip. I don't know, but if y'all got any ideas, y'all gotta help me out. No cap, okay? Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real Drip, no cap. Hey, the coffee's gone. I'm feeling vibey. I got the drip on. We outside. Hey, got the Adidas drip. Hey, 60BaeGrey, the real Drip, no cap. Ah! 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy thing. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun.